I'm a rebel, a writer, a poet and a fighter. Ride for me and my niggas, for them I give my life up. A son, a brother, a nephew and a cousin. I does it for them, cause without them I be nothing. I struggle, I hustle, I'm a nigga with an attitude. These fuckers try to kill the black in you, accept me for who I am, yeah. See, I will never dumb down, that's not what I'm about. I'm an artist, make my music, get the money, then I'm out, my friend. But then I'm back again, yeah. When the drugs don't work no more, you get high on life. That's what they say when you're feeling down. That's what they say when you're feeling down, yeah. Cause when the drugs don't work no more, you get high on life. That's what they say when you're feeling down. That's what they say when you're feeling down, yeah. And it seems like everybody loves my flow, but what's a flow without a heart? I must touch your soul before I leave this earth for heaven. And when I do, tell my children play fly, fly fresh forever. I'm a 247 and 365, and all 4 quarters I'ma keep on grinding. Our work is never over. There's no rest for the wicked. I'm trying to own every single moment. See if they pass me by and I die, then I have nothing to tell grandpa in afterlife. That's why I kill today, in case I'm gone tonight. I live life to the fullest like I'm close to dying, love. I pour my soul on these beats so I can sleep without having hopes in my dream. Cause at the end of the day, I owe it to me, and that's all. When the drugs don't work no more, you get high on life. That's what they say when you're feeling down. That's what they say when you're feeling down, yeah. Cause when the drugs don't work no more, you get high on life. That's what they say when you're feeling down. That's what they say when you're feeling down, yeah. For the longest I played the role as an underdog, but I'm a rock star with the guitar. Jay-Z when he did Wonderwall. Don't spark a conversation cause you ain't saying nothing. Let the money talk for ya. Don't mention my name unless we talking money. Being a wordsmith ain't worth shit if situations ain't working. Put in work until it's working. Do dirt if that's needed. Believe me when I say life's appetite for destruction is a motherfucker. Don't let her eat ya. So when you meet her, kiss her on the forehead. Tell her spirits live long in her life. There is no death. I'm so wet, I'm so fit, it's that so. Put anything on my shoulder, I hold it like it's no thing. I look you dead in the eye, and that look will never exit your mind. Not even if you when the drugs don't work, you will remember you get high on life. That's what they say when you're feeling down. That's what they say when you're feeling down, yeah. Cause when the drugs don't work no more, you get high on life. That's what they say when you're feeling down. That's what they say when you're feeling down, yeah. Can't touch me. I'm on a different echelon, you know. Since I got to learn that my father was very abusive, the only thing that was therapeutic was hearing music. And you can't take that away from me. I'm not like y'all. And as far as I can see, I just need privacy. Plus a whole lot of tree, fuck all this modesty. I just need space to do me, get away what they're trying to see. A Stella Maxwell right beside of me. A Ferrari, I'm buying 3. A closet of Saint Laurent, get what I want when I want, cause this hunger is driving me, yeah. I just need to be alone, I just need to be at home. Understand what I'm speaking on, if time is money, I need a loan. But regardless, I'll always keeping on. Fuck fake friends, we don't take L's, we just make M's. While y'all follow, we just make trends. I'm right back to work when that break ends. Yeah.
Ooh, it's just me, myself, and I. Solo ride until I die. Cause I got me for life.
Got me for life.
Ooh, I don't need a hand to hold. Even when the night is cold, I got that fire in my soul. I don't need anything to get me through the night, except the beat that's in my heart. Yeah, it's keeping me alive. I don't need anything to make me satisfied, cause the music does me good and it gets me every time.
Yeah. And I don't like talking to strangers, so get the fuck off me, I'm anxious. I'm trying to be cool, but I may just go apeshit. Say fuck y'all to all of y'all faces. It changes though now that I'm famous. Everyone knows how this lifestyle is dangerous, but I love it, the rush is amazing. Celebrate nightly and everyone rages. I found how to cope with my angers. I'm swimming in money, swimming in liquor. My liquor is muddy, but it's all good, I'm still sipping this bubbly. This shit is lovely, this shit ain't random, I didn't get lucky. Made it right here cause I'm sick with it, cutty. They all take the money for granted, but don't wanna work for it. Tell me now, isn't it funny?
Ooh, it's just me, myself, and I. Solo ride until I die. Cause I got me for life.
Got me for life.
Ooh, I don't need a hand to hold. Even when the night is cold, I got that fire in my soul. I don't need anything to get me through the night, except the beat that's in my heart. Yeah, it's keeping me alive. I don't need anything to make me satisfied, cause the music does me good and it gets me every time.
Hey little girl, on your way to class, loved by all cause you got badass, cute as eyes on the gray